welcome to today's video. Now when it comes on to my skin, there's one thing that I do to my skin to have it looking younger and fresher and also clearer with a natural glow, and that is to exfoliate my skin. I exfoliate my skin at least 2 to 3 times a week, and I use a lot of natural exfoliator on my skin. So if you're looking for a quick and easy facial scrub, that is going to get the job done, and it's going to leave your skin free from pimples, free from acne scars, free from dullness with a natural glow. Follow me to the kitchen and I'll show you how to whip this up in no time. Now when it comes on to making an at-home facial scrub, what you need to focus on is what is the base that you're going to use for your granules. What are you going to use that is going to help to get rid of the dead skin cells? Now there are many things that you can use. You can use sugar, you can use baking soda. However, you might not know that you can also use beans. These I have are some black beans, and beans are very good to use on the skin. More so, they will not irritate the skin. So what I'm going to be doing with my black beans, I'm going to blend them to a powder. So I'm going to blend 2 tablespoons of the black beans. Now you can also choose to use other beans such as chickpeas. You can even use some red beans to replace the black beans in this recipe. So we're just going to blend. Now once our beans are blended, take a look at this. This is how you want your beans to be. You're blended to a fine granules, and this is what is going to make the beans really great for the skin. So now that our beans are blended, I'm going to be using 1 tablespoon of the blended black beans, 1 tablespoon of whatever beans you are using. And next we are going to reach for my second ingredient, and here I have some sugar. Now this is white sugar, which have a very fine granules. If you do not have white sugar, use brown sugar for this recipe. Now sugar is a natural humectant, meaning that it draws moisture from the environment onto the skin. So when you apply products with sugar on your skin, they actually help to hydrate your skin and keep it moisturized. Sugar also can balance the skin as well as making an excellent exfoliant. Sugar have glycolic acid and alpha hydroxy acid, which help to maintain your skin. It won't become too dry or too oily, and you're left with a natural radiant glow. So I'm going to be using 1 tablespoon of the white sugar. I'm going to pour this in with the blended black peas. And before we move on, I'm just going to give it a stir. So I'm mixing sugar and black beans together. So now that we have the sugar and the beans together, I'm going to reach for a second ingredient. And here I have some blended lemon zest. Now to make your lemon zest, what you need to do is just peel your lemon, put the peel to dry, and after about a week or so, you take the lemon peel, blend it, and you get dried lemon zest. When you have lemon in abundance, guys, this is also a good way to save your lemon zest so you can use them when they are not so common. Now the reason for using lemon zest on the skin is that it contains vitamin C, and vitamin C will help to boost collagen while clearing the skin of hyperpigmentation such as spots and blemishes, acne scars, old scars, and also get rid of dull looking skin. I'm going to use about a teaspoon of the lemon zest, and I'm going to pour this in. And we're going to just blend all the dry ingredient together. A quick tip, guys, is that you can make this part and you can put it away until you're ready to use it as your dry base. However, when you're ready to use it, then you have your liquid, which we're going to be doing right now. Now the first liquid we're going to be using is some rose water, and rose water will help to hydrate the skin, lock that moisture in the skin, and leave the skin soft and supple. I'm going to be using about a tablespoon of rose water, pouring that in. And next we're reaching for some aloe vera gel. Now this is my store-bought aloe vera gel. However, if you do not have the store-bought aloe vera gel, go ahead and use some fresh aloe vera gel in this recipe. So I'm going to be pouring 1 tablespoon of the aloe vera gel, pouring this in. And aloe vera gel also helps to clear the skin of hyperpigmentation, hydrates the skin, good for sunburn, help to smooth wrinkles and fine lines. And guys, it's just an amazing ingredient to use on your skin, on your body overall. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna blend this together, slowly blend this in. We are mixing rose water, aloe vera gel, along with some black peas and sugar. And now once we blend this together, guys, we are gonna add our final ingredient, which is our oil. Now you're gonna use oil of choice. You can choose to use sweet almond oil, you can choose to use some coconut oil, you can even choose to use some grapeseed oil. Use your favorite oil depending on your skin type. Today I'm gonna use sweet almond oil, and a little goes a long way. We don't need a lot, so I'm gonna using about a teaspoon of the sweet almond oil. And then we're gonna just blend this in. Just blend well. And once this is done, guys, completely blend your oil into the mixture. Now once this is done, guess what we have here? Here we have our homemade facial scrub. Oh, now what I like with this, guys, is that it's a very simple, natural anti-aging facial scrub. Anti-aging because we're using ingredient that contains vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin E. This will help to clear the skin of hyperpigmentation while smoothing the wrinkles and fine lines, and it will give your skin a natural, fresher looking glow. So to use this is pretty easy. You just want to wash your skin like you normally do, and this you could take in the shower with you, apply it to clean skin, and just exfoliate the skin in circular motion. Now what I like with this is, take a look at this. Look what this is doing to my skin. This is so amazing, guys. This is like a must try. No joke, okay? It's a must try. I've been trying this recipe for a while, and I think I have another version on this channel. You gotta try this, guys. Look how this is just cleaning up my skin, and it feels so good. And the granules are not hard at all. The granules are just perfect size and perfect softness. So we are just exfoliating the skin, and once you're done exfoliating, a good trick, guys, is to leave it on your skin for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then you rinse off. If not, you can rinse off right away. So rinse the skin off with cold water, that's best, and take a look at that. Amazing, guys. Now this facial scrub can be used at least 2 to 3 times per week on your skin for best result. Now if you want to kick this up a notch and turn this into a body scrub, you can go ahead and add your favorite essential oils such as lavender oil, eucalyptus oil. Just add some more sugar and oil to it, and you are on your way for a really amazing scrub. So there you have it. Thank you all for watching such an amazing homemade facial scrub. Use it, guys. Don't just watch the video. Give it a try and use it on your skin and see the amazing results. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.